Good morning. How are you? Today I am going to discuss about virial equations. It is very important topic for BSc student, and it is also a topic of real gas chapter, and it is also important, very important topic for real gas chapter. We know there are different types of representation of for real gas, such as van der Waals gas equations, reduced equation, Bartlett equation, Dictis equation, and similarly virial equations is one of represent of real gas equations. And let's see what types of can information of virial equations. Let's see I write after van der Waals gas equation for real gas, many scientists put forward for equation for real gas. Such equations can be expressed by general form, that is PV is equal to A plus BP plus CP square plus etc. dot dot dot. P here P is the pressure and A B C is the common coefficient of various types of coefficient, and it also can be represented by compensatory factor z equal to 1 plus b by v plus b by v square. This is v is equal to volume of the gas, that is we know pressure is inversely proportional to volume, that is p varieties 1 by v, and hence it is represented by z is equal to pv by rt, that is equal to a 1 plus b by v plus c plus by v square plus dot dot dot. And let's see next page what types how it is solved. Next, there are some important point are mentioned for virial equation. That is point 1, the virial coefficient are different for different gases, that is when we change to gas, the virial coefficient value is exactly changes. And point 2, at very low pressure only first virial coefficient is significant and it is value equal to RT, that is A equal to RT at low pressure. And then point 3, and higher pressure other virial coefficient, that is except A, B, C, etc. Are important and must be considered. Then at higher pressure other virial coefficient are become important and must be considered. And point 4, for any particular gas the value of A, B, C are constant and constant temperature, at constant temperature, and their value changes with increasing temperature. The first virial coefficient is always positive and with increasing temperature it also increases. On the other hand, the second virial coefficient B is negative at low temperature and 0 at a particular temperature, and with increasing temperature is also positive. And this is when which temperature B equal to 0, that is a boil temperature. It is very important question. Can you say which what is boil temperature, and you can give answer at particular temperature and where second virial coefficient B is equal to 0. This is called boil temperature, and it is very important your short question. Next, we evaluate the virial form of van der Waals equations, that is how we calculate, how we derive these mathematical problems or virial equation. That let's see, we can write the van der Waals gas equation for n mole, that is P plus n square by v square v minus nv is equal to nRT, that is here from we calculate P is equal to nRT v by v minus nv minus n square a. If we consider n is equal to 1, if we put n is equal to 1, that is P is equal to RT by Vm minus B minus A by Vm square, that is Vm means molar volume. That is when n is equal to, this is considered in molar volume, that is V is written as Vm, that is in terms of molar volume. That is PVm, that is multiply V multiply Vm, that is PVm is equal to RT Vm by Vm minus B minus A by Vm, that is PV by M RT, that is divided by RT. Divided by RT, that is PVM by RT is equal to Vm minus B is equal to minus A by Vm RT. Okay, next, that is Z, that is PVM by RT, this is called Z, that is Z equal to, we get Vm by Vm minus B minus A by Vm RT, that is equal to, if we divided Vm by Vm top and down, that is 1 minus 1 by 1 minus B by Vm minus A by Vm RT. That is first part, that is 1 by 1 minus B by V, that is can be written as 1 minus B by Vm minus power of minus 1 minus of second part, that is a by vm rt, that is 1 minus that is here 1 minus b by vm minus x. It is actually infinite series, and we can extend here, that is suppose if we consider 1 minus x power of minus 1, that is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube dot dot dot. And similarly if we expand the series, the infinity series, that is we get 1 plus b by vm, that is x, plus x square, that is b square by vm square, that dot dot, and higher temperature is not eaten, sorry, higher term value is not eaten here, but it can eaten dot dot dot, and minus of last part, that is b a by vm rt, it is written here. And you next line is equal to 1 plus 1 by vm, that is 1 by vm is common, that is the second part b, and minus of, and last you see last part a by vm rt, that is here the common 1 by vm, that is a rest part is a by rt, plus of next part b by vm square, b square by vm square, that is plus of dot dot dot. And if we written as b minus a by rt, that is b minus a by rt is written as b function of t, that is b, that is the boil temperature, it is called boil temperature, second variable combination b, and that is get 1 plus 1 by vm into b plus c t is by vm square, that is c, third variable coefficient is considered as c, and this is also function of t, that is written as first bracket in t, that is nothing important, that is it is second variation coefficient b, and next is third variation coefficient c, it is written, and where b equal to b minus a by rt and c is equal to b square. Next we consider at boil temperature, the second variable coefficient becomes 0, that is b t is equal to 0, that is b minus a by rtb is equal to 0, that is when the temperature, at which temperature b is second variable, that is second variable coefficient 0, when temperature if we consider the temperature t is equal to tb, this if we consider the temperature t is equal to tb, that is written as tb. In case of t, it is written as tb, and that is we get b minus a by rtb is equal to 0, that is tb here that is tb equal to a by rb. This is very important magnitude, this is magnitude value of tb, that is a value of exact value of mathematical expression of tb, that is boil temperature, if we written as mathematical form of boil temperature, it is tb is equal to a by rb. This is actually boil temperature value. Now z, again we can know z equal to 1 plus a by vm b minus a by rt plus b square by vm square, this is equation 1. If you Van der Waals equation can be expressed in terms of pressure, again if totally we can written as z equal to 1 plus a1 p plus a2 p square plus dot dot dot, this is written equation 2. And if you again we know z equal to pvm by rt, 1 here, from here you calculate 1 by vm, that is equal to p by zrt, that is we get p by zrt, this is your number 3. And next we get putting this value equation 3 in equation 1, that is value of equation 3 is input the in equation 1, we get z equal to 1 plus b minus a by rt into the p by zrt, that is value of which value, that is value of 1 by vm, we get plus b square into p by zrt whole square, that is value of 1 by vm, this is plus of dot dot, this is number 4, this equation number as 4. And comparing the equation 2 and 4, if we compare the equation 2 and 4, we get 1 plus a1 p plus a2 p square plus dot 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 equal to 1 plus b minus a by rt into p by zrt plus b square into p by zrt whole square, that is dot dot dot, and 1 cancel, that is a1 p plus a2 p square plus dot dot equal to b minus a by rt into p by zrt plus b square into p by zrt whole square plus dot dot, this number as equation 5. And hence if we divided the both side equation by p, that is p, you get a1 plus a2 p, that is here equal to right side we get b minus a by rt by 1 by zrt, that is divided by p, so this p is cancelled, 1 by zrt plus b square by 1 by zrt whole square into p, that is plus dot dot dot. And if we consider the limit p tends to 0 at very low pressure, we get get a1 equal to b minus a by rt b minus a by rt minus into 1 by rt, that is a1, that is first virial coefficient value we get calculate here. The exact value is a1 equal to 1 by rt into b minus a by rt. It is very important, and from this mathematics is very important for BSc students, both pass and honors students. Various exam you can see what is the first virial coefficient for Van der Waals equation and how it is derived, we calculate how it is calculated. Very important. Various 10 years you will search 10 years, various years this question is repeated, and it is so very important for BSc students, and you may practice at home. Next we see, if we input this value in equation 5, which is equation 5, we can see a1 p plus a2 p square plus dot 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 equal to b minus a by rt into p by zrt plus b square into p by zrt whole square plus dot dot dot. And if we divided both side equation by pressure, that is p, we get a1 plus a2p equal to we get my right side b minus a by rt into 1 by zrt, 1 by zrt, that is divided by p, hence divided p, we get z 1 by zrt plus p square into 1 by zrt whole square into p. This is we have written here, we does not written here, but we can written inside a line. And next line we get a1 plus a2p plus dot dot dot, that is a1 by z, that is which is the a1 by z. If we can equation from equation 5 we know b minus a by rt into 1 by rt is equal to a1, that is we input the value a1, and also a terms 1 by z is multiplied and from this end, that is 1 by z, that is a1 by z. From equation 5 you match can get it, this plus b square into 1 by zrt whole square into p, and from next line hence we get a2p. If we calculate a2p, that is a1 by z minus a1, that is left side a1, we can go take right side, that is we get a1 minus z, a1 by z minus a1, that is plus b square by 1 by zrt whole square into p, that is a2p, we get uy common a1, that is 1 by z minus 1 plus b square by into 1 by zrt whole square into p, that is a2 equal to we get a1 by p, that is divided by p both side equations, that is a1 p 1 by z minus 1 minus b square plus 1 by z rt whole square, that is next line we get a1 by z 1 minus z by p. It is managing this equation we get this from a1 by z 1 minus z by p plus b square by b square into 1 by zrt whole square. This is actually equation number as equation 7. Next we get, and from equation 2 we have z equal to 1 plus a1p plus a2p square, which is written in equation 2 we discussed before, and from this we calculate 1 minus z by b, that is 1 minus z by p, we get minus of first bracket a1 plus a2p, and you consider the condition p tends to 0 at very low pressure, that is limit 1 by z by p is equal to we get minus a1, and you go back from equation 7 think we get a2 equal to minus a1 by z into 1 minus z by p plus b square into 1 by zrt whole square, that is here 1 minus z by p, 1 minus z by p, we also see this value is equal to minus a1, that is we get a1 into minus a1 by z, that is we will convert it to minus a1 whole square, that is minus a1 whole square minus a1 square minus a1 square by z plus b square by 1 by zrt whole square. If we put the z equal to 1, that we get minus a1 square plus b square by 1 by rt whole square, that is b square equal to 1 by b square into 1 by rt square whole square minus a1 square we get. Next
then we get b square into 1 by rt square minus third bracket b minus a by rt into 1 by rt whole square. This next line 1 by rt square is common, the 1 by rt whole square is common, and then we get 1 by rt whole square into b square minus b minus a by rt whole square, third bracket close, and next line 1 by rt whole square minus third bracket b square minus of b square minus 2b into a by rt plus a by rt square, that is actually b minus a by rt. Similarly formula a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and similarly we get right here b square minus 2b into a by rt into a by rt whole square, okay, equal to 1 by rt whole square into b square cancel, and sign also change, plus will be minus will be plus, and we write next line you can see 2b into a by rt minus of a by rt whole square, and similarly we again we common a by rt, then we will convert a by rt whole cube, and rest part 2b minus a by rt. This is actually value of a2, and hence we can write a2 equal to a by rt whole cube 2b minus a by rt, and this is this is very important. We get can calculate a1 value and a2 value, and similarly this value we input the equation 2, and equation you input the equation 2, which is equation will be converted to equation 2, j equal to z equal to 1 plus 1 by rt into b minus a by rt into p, and that is a1 value, we input a1 value, the plus of a by rt whole cube into 2b minus a by rt into p square, that is actually a2 p square in equation 2, you input the a2 value. This is final form of equation 2, and this is a real equation actually in terms of pressure, okay. This is very interesting, you can practice at home, okay. Today I calculate virial equation, what is virial equation and what is representation and what is criteria or some important points mentioned here. It is very important for BSc student, and also we calculate the coefficient value a1 a2, and first or second virial coefficient or third virial coefficient we calculate here, okay. It is very important for BSc student. Many you see the 10 years or previous exam question, you can see there various years is this question repeated, how we calculate a1 second virial coefficient, how we calculate a2 value, or how we calculate a1 value. This is can you derive explain various types question of you can get exam or your basis exam. This is very important, and you all you are requested to practice at home by following my YouTube channel, and you completely practice. I hope you may solve all the types question of real gas or in terms of virial coefficient value you exam, okay. If you like this video, you may share, subscribe, like so to your friends to know for a various information of chemistry BSc student, okay. Goodbye.